simple as it seems, the twinkle in your eyes, the way that time slows down when you kiss me. As we fall asleep in a bed of butterflies, just close your eyes and then you'll see it. You don't ever have to
Get ready with me. And now, start tayo sa serum. Ayan, this is a peptide serum from Jansasi collection. Ayan. This is my serum, guys. So, before applying my makeup, I start with my serum first. Ayan. Guys, is this Sunbloom Tinted Sunscreen from Jansasi Beauty. Ayan. So, tinted na yan siya, guys. Napaka-effective. Ayan. So, this has 50 SPF. Ayan siya. So, 50 SPF na yan, guys. Ayan. So, madami akong nilalagay. Enough to cover. Ayan. This blush on. This is a matte blush. And this is a peach glow and an apricot bliss. Ayan. So, matte blush to, guys. Madali lang siyang i-apply. So, I'm going to use this peach glow. Ayan siya. Ganun lang. Ayan. Ganyan lang ko siya ina-apply, guys. And then, blend lang using my fingers. Natural glue yan siya, guys. So, don't worry kung medyo nakakapalan nyo kasi eventually, nagaano lang din yan. Nagbi-blend na lang yan sa skin natin. Kasi diba lalagyan pa natin ng powder yan. Ayan. Ayan siya. Then, after that, so dalawa yung shade, guys. So, ito yung peach glow. Ayan. Ayan yung peach glow. Ayan. And then, ito naman yung apricot bliss. Medyo, ano naman to, mas lighter. Ayan. So, mas lighter yung apricot bliss, guys. So, both favorite ko. So, dalawang shade lang to, guys. So, madali lang. So, pwede nyo i-alternate kung ano yung mas feel nyo. And then, of course, ang last natin is this lip tint, guys, na long-lasting talaga and non-drying. At hindi din siya mabigat sa lips pag kainanan na natin. Ayan. So, this is Raspberry Rush. Yung color naman ng Raspberry Rush. Ayan. So, medyo ano siya. Ayan. Ayan yung Raspberry Rush. Ayan siya, guys. And then, next naman natin ay itong Cherry Bomb. Cherry Bomb ang ganda. Light lang siya, guys. And long-lasting talaga siya. So, kahit kumain ka pa ng kumain, hindi siya agad nabubura. Ayan yung Cherry Bomb. Ayan. Ang ganda ng Cherry Bomb, guys. So, kung konti mo lang siya ilagay, ano na siya, it lasts long and hindi siya ganun kapula. And this one is the Strawberry Crush naman. Ayan. Ang ganda din itong Strawberry Crush. Ayan. So, you can use this everyday. Minsan, once lang ako nag-a-apply, guys. And it will last a day na. Ayan siya. So, ayan yung ating lip tint. And then, guys, ito naman din yung isa pa nating shade, yung Tangerine Bliss. Ang ganda din ito kasi bagay din siya sa iba't ibang. Ayan. So, medyo darker lang siya, guys. Ayan. So, kung gusto niyo naman ng medyo dark and it will last a long day, ito din yung favorite ko, yung Tangerine Bliss, guys. Ayan. So, let's apply it na. So, ayan yung mga different shades natin, guys, ng lip tint. So, if you're interested, pakicheck na lang dito sa ating website, jansasibeauty.com. Ayan. So, pwede kayong umorder directly doon or click nyo yung link dito sa aking social media accounts. Ayan. So, let's try this na. Ayan. So, since I'm wearing a light color today, so I prefer to wear this Cherry Bomb kasi lighter lang siya, guys. So, ito yung gagamitin natin for today's lipstick. Ayan na, guys. So, final touch ko na lang ay this powder. Ayan, para magpantay lang lahat ng colors. And I'm good to go. So, ganun lang siya guys. Kadaling igamitin ang ating mga products. Andyan sa si products guys. This is my everyday makeup look. So, ayan guys. Ito na yung final look. Ayan. So, ulitin ko lang. So, I'm using the peptide serum from Jan Sassy. All of these are from Jan Sassy Beauty. And next is the Sun Black. This is a tinted Sun Bloom Beauty sunscreen. Ayan. And then, of course, ang ating matte blush. This one is Apricot Bliss and Peach Glow. Ayan. Lahat to available sa aking website, guys. So, pwede nyo i-check lahat yan. And then, ang ating mga lip tint, guys. Ayan. So, pakicheck na lang. Nasa website din lahat to. So, makikita nyo din doon yung different shades. And today, I'm using the Cherry Bomb. Ayan, so siya guys. So, thank you for watching. And I hope you will like this video. Please comment. And of course, subscribe to my channel here in YouTube. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye!